Yes team, it's your boy Locksmith from the UK music band Rudimental, and aside from music, fitness is a massive passion of mine, and I love the fact that I get to share it with you guys in a hope to inspire and motivate you all. Now, it's the Back At It Challenge. Back At It Challenge. And today I've got a workout that's going to slot into that challenge that is available on my app, Unlocked by Locksmith. And this is the 5th workout, and it's the sandbag finisher. Now, I've just finished the main workout, and I'm gonna do this sandbag finisher for you guys. It's something you can do after your main workout or before your main workout, whichever way you choose. Couple things to remember with this workout: you can scale up or you can scale it down depending on your fitness ability. Now, this is gonna test your muscle endurance. It's a very short workout, probably about 8 minutes long. We've got 4 exercises to get through. The first exercise is a front squat. Second exercise, we're gonna go for down ups and deadlifts. Third exercise is gonna be bent over rows. And your fourth and final exercise is gonna be some sandbag cleans. Now, with this workout, you've got 1 minute and 30 seconds to finish all 4 exercises for a repage of 10 reps each exercise. And then you're gonna have a 30-second break, and then you're gonna repeat that whole set 4 times. So it's a short workout, but it's a nice little finisher if you've had a tough little workout, especially like a leg day or a back day, because we're going to be working on the lower back and your legs are going to be firing, I promise you. Right, let's get into this. Quick little warm up, because you've done your main workout, ain't you? And then we're going to get into this workout. Right, let's rotate them arms. Oh. Let's go for 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna go the opposite direction. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now across our bodies. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna activate these shoulders up here. So we're gonna go into some shoulder taps, get in a plank position. Keep that body nice and neutral, and we're just gonna go for 10 shoulder taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, for this next exercise, stay in this position, and we're just gonna reach out with one arm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, let's get our feet shoulder width apart. Just gonna get a nice little stretch up here and stretch up. Again, another 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're gonna go for 10 squats. Nice and easy. Take your time with it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now on the last one, just stay down here. Just hold that position for 10 seconds. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I want you to grab your ankles, and we're just gonna stretch it up for 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Right, before we get into this workout, I'll give you a little demo of each exercise. The sandbag weight is totally up to you guys. I'm carrying a 25 kg. Only reason being, I would have probably scaled it down. It's the only sandbag I've got. Courtesy of Mirror Fit, go check them out. What else? Right, yeah, so all you need is sandbag. Let's go through the 4 exercises. First exercise, front squat. We're gonna get the sandbag in this position and we're literally gonna squat. We're gonna try our hardest not to bend over too much and squat down just like that. Keep our back nice and straight. Heels on the ground, push through your heels. And back up. 10 reps of that. And then we're gonna go for down ups with a deadlift. So we get down, back up, keep that back nice and straight. Deadlift, back down and repeat. 10 reps of those. Third exercise, bent over rows. Again, you want to keep that back nice and straight. Bend it over. You don't want to lock out your knees, so you don't want your knees nice. You don't want your knees straight. You want to give them a little bit of a bend, as low as you can, and drive that sandbag into your upper belly and back down. Fourth exercise, sandbag clean. We're gonna have sandbag starting on the floor, back up here, and clean it up here, and back down. Or you can give it a nice little jump into it, and back down. Right, so it's 10, 10, 10, 10, and you've gotta finish the reps within a minute 30, or under a minute 30. How about we get into it? You ready for this, guys? All right, I'm gonna give you 30 seconds for you guys to sort yourself out. The time is on, and then we're gonna get into it. Remember, if you struggle to finish it in a minute and a half, couple things, scale down the reps, scale down the weight of the sandbag, look around in the gym, and look for a lighter sandbag. This is for an intermediate to advanced trainer, yeah? You've got to have some prior knowledge on how to do some of these exercises. We're going 3, 2, 1. Right, front squat, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, down ups. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Bent over rows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna get some cleans in, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 10 seconds to spare. First set done for me. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right, 30-second break, and we go into that again. Keep it going, people, yeah? You've got this. Even if you save this workout, get in the gym and do it with me. Your pain is my pain is your pain. Right, 5 seconds, we get into a front squat. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 5. Whew. 8, 9, 10. bent over rows. 8, 9, 10. Whew. Cleans. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 10. Whew. Oh, feeling it now. Yeah, boy. Oh, we go again. Oh, 2 more sets to go. Whew. This is tough. We're going 5 seconds. 3, 2. Hey, hey, ha, bent over rows. Oh, whew. Oh. Two more. Woo. Right, last and final set. Keep going, keep pushing. It's a toughie. We are nearly there. And I'm not just speaking to you, speaking to myself as well. Oi. Right, 10 seconds. We go again. Front squat. 3, 2, 1. Ah. One more. Bend over rows. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get them cleans in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Oh, hey, what a finisher. Oh, that definitely hurt me. Whew. Whew. Right, I'm gonna go for a walk, cool down. Make sure you cool down. Or if you're about to start this your main workout, good luck. I'm Locksmith, and I'm out. Activity completed.